Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba ke Jela Conrad ke Sangma mentah kesngi ulawan ban Plie ba ya ke Slam ban Hikai ya ke Sengkam Sengjam ke bala tip kum ke Prime Hub ke badan ho Dihar Bhoi district. Ha kani kesngi Menteri Rangba ula Pliru ya ke Pineapple Processing Unit ke badan Marjan bakati ke Prime Hub. Ki kenram ki lendan ki balawan ban sakhilang ha kani kesngi ki kentop nadu MLA ke Sning Dr. Celestine Lingdo ke MDC jong ke Sning ke Kong Magdalene Saukami Maulong Arpen Upadaya Giri Prasad Superintendent of Police ke Bhoi nalor kinong yalam snong ko Dihar bat kiwe dia haba ajing kran hagani kesngi Conrad ke Sangma ulapan pau ya ke jingyat denti jong jingseng kate ke Prime Hub ban kentiu ki Rio Sengkam Shimet lani kita ki entrepreneur na banta ban kentiu ya ke yok ke kod batru ke jing sedang ya ke Chief Ministers Entrepreneurship Award kabatmu bat itu bat ajing yarap iki Rio Sengkam Shimet da ka song pisa ka ba Shilak tingka bagi lala ban penhe bat penroy ka kam khai pateng ka jongki ulong ru ba ka jing sengkam kam dei satia ka bamut tangi kita ki kam khai pateng ki bahe lani kita ki industry handai ka la ban long ru kom ka jing sedang seng da ka dukan ka barit lani ki we di ki jat kam ki bala ban le ki kenhun bat ban ai ka jing kershan ki bakin nang kiu shaprang ka ba ki julong baro shikata Kumbaya ka Prime Hub las dang ningkong hakanong ba shalong Conrad ke Sangma wala pentip baling baga ni ka Slam palat lai hajar saus pangut ki Rio Sengkam Shimet ki layo jing mentoy ba deiling bagi ni girensan gi bala ban ay ka jing hikai ka jing nang jing tem ka bala ban kintiu shaprang ya ki Rio Sengkam Shimet hapo jangka Integrated Village Cooperative Societies
Sebagai saksi
So it slides to where?
Washing the fruit after removing the ground and washing the fruit with the fire.
Cut into smaller pieces. Again, we have to take it to Bangalore. Nice AC. Nice AC.
About what we are trying to do out here. Back in 2018, I had come up with a very small idea that we should start recognizing and awarding some of the young entrepreneurs of our state. And so we started a Chief Minister's Entrepreneurship Award, and based on that we started to give 1 lakh rupees to different entrepreneurs who were doing different kind of businesses in whatever line they were doing. And the idea behind this was a basic principle, which is that until and unless the public and the private sector, when I say public, I don't mean government. When I say public, means the general public. And the entrepreneurs and the private sector, until unless they don't get involved in the economic activity of a nation, of a state, we will not see sustainable development. And hence the only way for a country or for a state to achieve economic sustainability and development is to push the ecosystem for entrepreneurship forward. And hence started a very, very long journey for us with a small award that we started giving to the conceptualization of what we call the Prime program. So the Prime program is an acronym, of course, but this acronym and the word Prime is actually meant for entrepreneurship. That's what it is. It's about promoting entrepreneurship. It's about promoting business. It's about promoting different groups at different levels so that they can achieve and do more than what they have been doing in the past. Now, when I say entrepreneurship, it doesn't have to mean a business or a big industry. It doesn't have to mean a corporation. Entrepreneurship even starts off with a very small thing like an individual running a shop. It may not be the ideal, innovative entrepreneurship that we want, but it is still an entrepreneurship unit, a small one. Our self-help groups who are doing their different programs and having different kind of food processing units and packaging units. It's a form of entrepreneurship. The integrated village cooperative societies, the IVCS that we have, these are also enterprises and entrepreneurship in nature. And hence we started realizing that until unless there is a platform, until unless there is a program that will give importance and impetus to the entrepreneurship programs, will give the necessary platform and necessary support in terms of training, in terms of finances, in terms of packaging, marketing, all the kind of support you require, we realize that entrepreneurship will not take off. And hence the concept of Prime Hubs came up. And we started the first one, of course, in Shillong, which is where we have an incubation center, come Prime Center, from where maybe about close to 300-400 entrepreneurs have got support. Every year we have a Chief Minister's E-Challenge program. It's a business plan competition where thousands of entrepreneurs compete, where the top 100 of them, they receive even up to 10 lakhs as cash award and up to 50 lakhs as interest-free loan to start their business and pursue their dreams. We connect them to IIM Kolkata and other very, very skilled agencies which can then guide them and train them to show them how you prepare a business plan, to train them on how to approach a bank, train them on how to maintain their books and accounts, tell them what marketing is all about, tell them that packaging is important and equally important, building up trust is important. And hence, if you look at what we are doing here in the Prime Hub, it's not just rooms. These rooms are going to be the area and place where the economy will move forward, where we will convert the dreams and aspirations of our entrepreneurs into reality, where we will be guiding them and training them in ways they would have never been trained before. A place where we will be able to unlock the kind of opportunities that are there right in front of us and we are not able to do anything about it. This is what a Prime Hub will do for us. And I really hope that the IVCS of Undihar, which is going to be actually running this program, will really be able to give that kind of importance to the people and be able to give them the necessary guidance and training and support through which we will be able to achieve those dreams. So we have come up with a program and we will be rolling it out just after Independence Day, maybe September 1st week, where we are going to be coming out with small storage spaces for the IVCS groups. So you'll be having different locations where storage spaces will be constructed and handed over to you to manage. In those locations, we will also have, whenever required, cold storage in the system, because cold storage also is required. We also realize that these kind of prime hubs cannot be everywhere, so in different locations we may need facility centers, a community center, community hall. So for that also we come up with a very large program where we'll be setting up different community halls and facility centers in different parts of the state. So this kind of a program will be held, but I strongly feel that Onsning is an area and Bhoi is an area which can have a large logistic hub where all the different products that